my tree. I'm the cool koala. So cool. Life is easy breezy, 'cause I'm the cool koala. How you doing? Good day, mate. I'm the koala, and man, I'm great. Where to find me, I hear you wonder. Australia, the land down under. Spoon-shaped nose, fluffy ears, a thick fur cushion on my rear. 2 thumbs on my paws give me better grip. I got fingerprints on each fingertip. Don't really drink water, I chew leaves. Eucalyptus trees give me all I need. I live, eat, and sleep up there. Koalas are cute, but we're not a bear. Sitting up in my tree, I'm the cool koala. So cool. Life is easy breezy, 'cause I'm the cool koala.
The koala is a marsupial.
Let me fill you in, it's so cool. Got a pouch so I can carry safely my precious little koala baby. Called a Joey, cutest thing on earth. Looks like a jelly bean at birth. 2 centimeters long without any hair. Spends 6 months all cozy in there. Stays with mom 6 months more. Then off on their own they go explore. You see how cool a koala can be? Living up in eucalyptus trees. Sitting up in my tree, I'm the cool koala. So cool. Life is easy breezy, 'cause I'm the cool koala. So cool, yeah, I'm the cool koala.
Humpback, humpback whale, yay. Humpback, humpback whale, yay. Whale, hey, the humpback whale. Listen up, kids, to the humpback tale. I'm a mega mammal, just like you, and I got mega facts. Here's a few. My pectoral fins are really long. I'm known for my melodic song. With groans and whistles, it's real complex. I'm about as heavy as 4 T-Rex. When I dive down, I curve my back. That's why they call me the great humpback. I'm big, fast, hydrodynamic. Wanna take a pic, I better be panoramic. Humpback, humpback whale, yay. Humpback, humpback whale, yay.
The humpback whale is a filter feeder.
I ain't got teeth, I don't need them either. Got brush like plates, Corbeline. I don't need to brush them or keep them clean. When I need to eat, bubble fish is the drill. To catch small fish, plankton and krill. Get them tight in a ball, set my tail to stun. Scoop them in my mouth and I'm almost done. Push water out with my tongue. Swallow the fish into my tongue. When I'm not hip-hopping, I'm spy-hopping. Breaching out the water to the beats that I'm dropping wood. Humpback whale, yay. Humpback whale, yay. Humpback whale, yay. Humpback whale, yay.
He's smooth, I'm smooth, yeah. I'm the smooth Newt, so smooth. Won't find me in the winter time. I go back to my roots. Rooty toot toot, it's the smooth Newt. A handsome fella, ain't that the truth? When my skin is dry, it feels like velvet. So sleek, so smooth. When it's wet, spend spring and summertime in my pond. Slow moving water's where I belong. When it gets cold, I like to hibernate. Under tree roots is my favorite place.
Like a tonic Godzilla, I grow a crest. Down my back and tail, are you impressed? Then it's time for my tail fan dance.
Those are the smooth Newts, don't stand a chance. I'm smooth, yeah. I'm the smooth Newt, so smooth. Won't find me in the winter time. I go back to my roots.
The smooth newt is semi-aquatic.
The skills I got are kinda dramatic. I split my time between land and water. Half here, half there, bum-bum-bada. Hunt for tasty snacks like lice and snails. So fast, so nimble, yeah, I never fail. Up on land, I use my lungs to breathe. They help me get all the air I need.
Down underwater, I breathe through my skin. Say that again, yeah, let it sink in. Down underwater, I breathe through my skin.
I'm a neat Newt, let the fun begin. Smooth, I'm smooth, yeah. I'm the smooth Newt, so smooth. Won't find me in the winter time. I go back to my roots. He's smooth, I'm smooth, yeah. I'm the smooth Newt, so smooth. Won't find me in the winter time. I go back to my
never find another like me.
So smooth.
We stick together, one for all for one. It's a murmuration. We take to the skies and we move as one. It's a murmuration. Here it is, the starling's world.
Sit back and watch us twist and twirl.
At dusk, we go way up high.
Then we do our dance up in the sky. A group of starlings is a murmuration.
The shapes that we make have no limitation.
We stay in our flock all year round.
Where there's one,
There's more to be found. We build our nests next to each other.
neighbors, friends, sisters and brothers, social birds, such a great team. When we take to the sky, we look supreme. We stick together, one for all for one. It's a murmuration. We take to the skies and we move as one. It's a murmuration.
The starling is great at mimicry.
Yeah, cousin mine has got nothing on me.
King of imitation, we copy any sound. Hear it, repeat it, loud and proud. A human voice, hello.
An electric guitar.
Your mom sneeze.
An alarm for a car. My yellow beak has a base that's blue.
Check mine out. Girls have a pink hue. Our feathers look black from afar. But look a little closer and voila!
Iridescent, purple and green. Dotted with white, it's a beautiful scene.
We stick together, one for all for one. It's a murmuration. We take to the skies and we move as one. It's a murmuration.
It's a kitty cat, big bad kitty cat. 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 From the mountains of Europe to the forests of Asia, my cat facts are gonna amaze ya. Biggest lynx in the world ain't no pussy cat. Yeah, I'm the big bad kitty cat. A ferocious feline found in the wild. An expert hunter, and I do it in style. I stalk my prey, they don't know I'm there. I pounce and I bite, yeah, they better beware. With the element of surprise, I take on an animal 4 times my size. When deer are scarce, I'll snatch any creature. Cross my path and I'll try to eat ya. It's a kitty cat, big bad kitty cat. It's a kitty cat, big bad kitty cat. It's a kitty cat, big bad kitty cat. It's a kitty cat, big bad kitty cat.
The Eurasian lynx has special webbed paws.
Yeah, in between my toes, next to my claws. It's like I'm wearing kitty snowshoes. So in deep snow, I can run right through. Got thick brown fur, complete with black spots. White underbelly, pointed ears with black tops. All around my neck, I got a little kitty beard and a short little bobtail. Haven't you heard? Almost as big as a Labrador. An excellent climber and strict carnivore. I love to chill and lounge in a tree, waiting for my prey to pass below me. It's the kitty cat, big bad kitty cat. 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 Big bad kitty cat. The lynx, yo.
Sitting up in my tree,